Hindi naman po. Malusog lang.
Malusog lang. Kaya hindi ako nag...
Morning. Good morning, pa.
Good
Matanda. Ano masasalitang matanda? Yeah. Forever young.
Forever.
Ang salitang mataba.
Malusog. Nga po siya kanina sa zipline eh. Yan ang hindi masakit. Aray.
Yung mataba, malusog
Malusog.
lang.
Parang inuulit-ulit niyo po yung malusog na yan.
Mabuti raw ang malusog kaysa sexy.
Bakit?
Ang buhay raw wala na sa ilog ngayon, nasa syudad na. Put ba natin sa likod si Romel? Yan. Welcome kayo sa... So this is Mangrove Tour. My real name is Aida. My code name is Lady Mangrove. Came from the female mangrove which is grown in this area. So Lady Mangrove at your service. You are all welcome in Mangrove Tour. I will speak English slowly and clearly. No crocodile in this area. I will give a short background of the project. Mangrove Tour is community-based sustainable tourism. It is. We are 18 members helping our community officials to protect this area. So we serve as guardian of this area and giving the true information about the benefits come from the trees. Here are mangrove, bakawan, the Filipino name of them. If you heard the word bakawan, meaning mangrove in English is special tree in the Philippines. So ready always your camera because we have a snake. If you wanna take picture to the snake, okay.
There's the snake.
If you don't like to see the snake, just close your eyes. This painted leaves is our boy, Rhizophora apiculata, the scientific name of them.
Masaya ahas?
Here is a female mangrove which the snake is clinging on. Black and yellow, the color of the snake.
Saan po?
Si
Ayun siya.
Si Oh, si The Chinese language si Yeah. Got it, 1 point. Isang araw na, Russian ang bisita ko, di marunong. Entoran, the Filipino name. Doon sa pinanggalingan natin, sa Pantalan, mayroon pa doon 3. It's low tide, 3 meters deep of the water, and the water is a mixture of salty and fresh. 2% salty water came from the ocean, and 1% sweet water came from the jungle. Get down here, mix together, resort, brackish water, or taksim in Tagalog. Taksim is different from taksil. Taksil, unfitful lover. If you have unfitful lover, release that one. You find another one. 3 meters deep, the depth of the water. Okay. During the high tide, the depth of the water is 4 meters deep. And the color of the water is blue in color. We can see moving crabs under the water. Blue color, clear water. But now it's murky. We call that murky water, malabo. Murky water. Already broken. Supposedly that is for picture taking and bird watching activity. 100 meters the length of boardwalk going inside the jungle. We are still collecting the fun. Look at your left side. Those are unique and very old mangrove trees. Century tree. 1 century equivalent 100 years. Untouchable nature. The height of other trees 21 meters above. Entire the country of Philippines, this is the only area that we can see them now. They are preserved for the incoming generation to generation. So no fishing in the water, breeding place of the fish only here, like bangos, like this we have here. Crab and shrimps we have here, oysters and clams, and one of the exotic food of Filipinos now is tamilok. They are here. Doon may kahoy doon na kakitaan. May butas-butas na. Tamilok will live inside the ratonod of mangrove.
Okay na kain.
The mangrove tree is not the tree of mangrove. They will not eat it inside. But small, you have a tiny force into the land. Pag may butas-butas na yan, maliliit. Pero yung tamilok, oras nakapasok sa kahoy na yan, diyan na siya mabuhay. Yung pagkain niya kahoy. Hindi siya lumalabas, hindi siya mabababa. Ang tubig niya, sarili niya sa loob. May kapos sa loob eh. Wala. Ayan, tira ng tamilok, may butas-butas.
Ay, maliit po na yan. Yan nandun.
Kaya, pinutol nila kasi kinuha nila yung dulo, may tamilok na.
ito na yung dulo.
Matibay na kahoy ang bakawan, kaya kahit na nakatayo pa, ang dahon walang sanga, pero patay na yan. Bawal din kunin. The whole area, we have 47.55 hectares.
Wow.
The whole area of mangrove tour, and this is our area of responsibility. Every day we are here. Kasi bantay kami. Was we see somebody cutting wood illegally inside the area, we could have told the Rangers of National Park. Because they are responsible to hold this illegal people. First offense, blah blah, maritizing first. Second offense, by attempting to plant a fruit of mangrove inside the area, so many trees are growing now. Third offense, not it happened that we have a third offense. Because all people here in Kabayugan,
Kulong na pag
they are environmentalists. Ako hindi ko pa nalakad yan lahat hanggang doon sa tabing bato. Tabing bundok ang boundary niya.
Banda doon.
Na. Dito lang ang ilog, tapos yung may tubig na daan ng tubig sa tabi ng bato, ilog-ilog na maliit. Doon matatagpuan yung mga cat-turtles, pagong, plant pagong. Dito walang pagong ito kasi brackish water wala. Ang pagong ay hindi tumitira sa brackish water. Roots of mangrove, although the tree is still small trunk, but there are many roots already into the branch that is assigned to the tree have an age of 100 years. And roots of mangrove, it looks like a human fingers holding the ground firmly to this protection from the flood. The fruit of mangrove is here. The fruit of girl mangrove leaves are wider. There is one fruit hanging into the branch. The tree that the snake will cling on, that is a girl mangrove. This is a fruit of girl mangrove, okay? So I call this one healthy girl, sexy girl, smooth girl. And the other one, this is a fruit of boy, short boy, small boy, poor boy. Yeah. Both of them the same. Although the other one is smaller than the other one, they are balanced because the uses of them the same. Breeding place of the fish, home of the wildlife, and protection from disaster. This, we call this one propagyon. This is a food of monkeys and for planting only.
What is a snake?
Snake. See
Oo nga eh.
Poisonous, dangerous snake, but no moving during the day. It is a member of nocturnal animal. All animals that are sleeping during the day, we call them nocturnal. Just going back. Look at your right side, jungle zone. Wildlife are many living inside that area. Giant python, king cobra, porcupine, anteater, wildcat, bearcat, pangolin. Yan. Pangolin is anteater. Wild animals, pangolin, wild animals, once we touch that wild animal, it will make itself round like a ball. We can pick it up, put inside our pack bag, we can bring at home. That is pangolin, anteater. Balintong in Tagalog. Bibilog yan. Hindi yan magbuka. Hanggat may kaaway. Many inside the jungle. Wild pigs, wild cat, bearcat then. Wild chicken, wild peacock. Aerial plants like orchids, fern, begonias, and monstera plants. Special bird learn to talk like a person, like talking myna, parrots and kakaro. Hello, mommy, hello, mommy. Talking myna, blackbird with a yellow-orange here. Eyes. Parrot said, hello, daddy, you have your girlfriend. Then kakato, the white bird, could be talk like a person also. Answered parrot. Oh yeah. That is the voice of kakato. Okay. These are the different voices of special bird. According to the expertise, mangrove trees the best absorber of pollution on the wind. So wind in mangrove, we have a freezer here. It is good to our health, especially to the people of their heart failure and asthma. And according to the fisheries, 1 hectare of mangrove forest will produce 1.8 tons of fish yearly. So here in Palawan, we have a wide area of mangrove forest. That's why we have a lot of fish to eat. And the price of fish here is lower compared to the price of fish in other provinces in the Philippines, especially in Manila. Because of mangrove. And all of them, fish living on the water, all of them, the food of them come from decomposed leaves, bark, and wood of mangrove. Very simple, okay? Tamilok is the title of my song. Halinaw hirang sa barangay Kabayugan, ating matilayan na ibang bakawan. Tayo ay mamangka patungong bakawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Bakaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlogang isda, kuna ng pagkain. Huwag itong putulin, bagkus ay mahalin. Isda't alimango ay dito nang galing. Tamilok na masarap, oy! Hipon na mailap, oy! Talabang malasa at lukan na biyak. Ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Everybody say oy! Tamilok na masarap, ibon na mailap, talabang malasa at lukan na biyak. Ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Maraming salamat kaibigan, kayo ay laging welcome sa bakawan. Susunod na taon babalik naman, kami ay laging naghihintay. Thank you my friend. You are always welcome in Mangrove again. Make sure you will come back again. We are waiting for you all the time. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Yes.